Welcome to an LG support video. In this demonstration, we will show you how to boost the washing performance of your LG dishwasher. Tip 1. Before you start a dishwasher cycle, the water supply running to the machine will have cold water in the pipes. Running hot water through your kitchen sink before starting a cycle, especially if your home has older plumbing, will ensure that your dishwasher is supplied with hot water, which is more effective in cleaning your dishes. Tip 2. We recommend that you use a rinse aid with your LG dishwasher. Using a rinse aid fights watermarks and rinses away leftover food and detergent residues for crystal clear dishes, glasses, and cutlery. Tip 3. Find out if your home is supplied with hard or soft water. You can determine this by using an at-home test kit if necessary. Hard water can leave residue and stains on your dishes. Using a water softener can help your dishwasher perform better. If you can't install a water softener in your home's water supply, we recommend you use a demineralizer to soften the water in your dishwasher. Tip 4. Your LG dishwasher is designed to fit almost any dish in your kitchen, but food is one thing that you shouldn't be adding to the dishwasher. Make sure you scrape large food items prior to loading, which will improve the overall cleaning performance of the dishwasher. Items such as toothpicks, bones, plastic wrappers and labels, fruit stems, or any other small foreign object should be scraped off the plate before loading into the dishwasher. Tip 5. Loading your LG dishwasher properly is essential to ensuring that your machine cleans at its highest efficiency. Make sure to never overload the dishwasher, and that your dishware and silverware is properly placed so that stacking or nesting does not occur. Tip 6. If your LG dishwasher has filters, maintain them based on the usage of your machine. Follow the filter cleaning guide in your user's manual that outlines how often you should clean the dishwasher filters. Tip 7. Be sure to always use the correct amount of detergent. Too much or too little detergent can cause problems with the cleaning performance. With these simple steps, you'll have your dishwasher performing at its best.